Hi,
Buddy.
Jace.
You know him. And this is his mother. Say hi.
I had the old address.
Oh.
I'm glad I didn't head that way.
Yeah, you did.
There you go.
Open it up, buddy.
There you go, Jay.
Wow. Say thank you. Oh, here you go. Thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, cool. Happy birthday, What else you got?
That's from Heather and Raleigh.
Oh. Look what else you got. Some more letters. Yeah. Yeah, that is so nice. Say thank you. Say thank you for the card.
Oh, and look at the goodies.
Ooh, look what you got. You got a free Cane's meal. And what else did we get?
Chili.
For free kids meal. Ooh, nice.
You can use that for 2
cool.
kids.
Oh, cool.
Have you ever been to a neighborhood jam?
We haven't, no.
Okay.
No? What is this?
That's for
Oh,
Amber.
nice. Neighborhood Jam. Never been there. I'll have to go check that out.
Oh, one more.
Oh, here, guys. Check this one out.
Oh, there's where I like to go.
Ooh, heck yeah. One free kids meal. That's awesome. Heck yeah.
I love
Thank you. Oh, Charlie's? Yeah, they're good. Oh, yeah, they're good. Thank you guys so much.
Oh, you're
We
welcome.
appreciate you guys coming. Are you guys hungry? Do you want something to drink? Would you like some water or pop or tea?